Outdoor Bahamas. We are outside today. Me, Gio, and Jefferson. Polar and the puppies, and Zero in the back there. Yeah. We headed to the beach. We're gonna make a run and then we'll head there. So stay tuned, everybody. Yo! Yo, leave my shoe, boy. Yeah. Hold on. Walk in as far as the race, as far as you can. Yo, this way.
Jeffrey! Yeah? I got on outside to join the puppies. Me too. That one.
Yo, come.
So you carry them over there. I got the puppies.
I'm going over there.
With the puppy leg.
Nope.
Do you carry the puppy to show up?
But Gio, wait.
You can. No way.
Stop.
You can go in there.
Yes.
Let's go away. Let's go. Ah, it's too heavy. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm the puppy. Stop. You don't mean yeah, that's the puppy you got like that. Just put it on. Huh? I coming back to show one.
No, they need to dry up this window, lady. Don't cut my gun. Yeah. We're outside. Boys, them over there. Let's go check the boys. Theo. Gio, look at Gio. Look at Gio what he flipping off. Look at Gio. That's Gio. Let me see that again, boy. Yo. No, I don't dare you. Look at Gio, huh? I say I don't dare you, bro. Don't jump off no rock. Don't jump off no rock. That's enough. Don't do no more stunts. I don't want y'all get hurt. Yo! Yo! Listen to the clown. Yo, let them out. Put them in here.
Bring the puppy in the water.
Yeah.
Then, yo.
Yeah, tell me something you scared of me, bud. Yo, come. Yo. Come on. Yo, Dog Bahamas family, I am back with another episode of cooking. Yeah, so let's get to it. Let me let y'all see what's going on here. Not me, but the food, the stuff. I am gonna mash some garlic to put in the pot. You see? Garlic is yo, I gotta put the camera down. Garlic make your food taste so good. Just flavor. It's healthy, it's good for you, you know? Yeah. Nice scent too. So I don't know what this name in English, but in Creole, broken French, is called a pilon. This thing here I use. I don't know what they call it in China, India, other places. Even here, I don't even know. That's a shame. But anybody know? Let me know in the comment section, please. I probably gotta go on Google and look it up. All right. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, so I gotta put some oil, coconut oil. See? Yep. Pot smoking hot. Alright. Got my oil in there. Throw my garlic in. Crushed garlic. Wow, that smells good. Wowee. Alright, so the peas, I already had the peas open and washed already, so they just be sitting there. Some pigeon peas. Hold up, close. Yeah, some pigeon peas. Already had them open and washed. Throw them in. Oh. Yep. Coconut powder, and I will be throwing some coconut milk in there too. I don't know why not doing. Coconut milks. Coconut powder, coconut milk, and coconut oil. Coconut. Yeah. Now, I add some water and the seasoning. I got the water right here, gallon water. So pour in there. So I'm cooking a lot of rice. Oh, sorry. I have a bad camera angle. I think I can need more. Like a big pot of rice. Hey, Zero. Hey, boy. Good boy. Right, now, seasoning. Salt. Complete. I gotta stop using complete. Got MSG in it. Wow. Right? Oh man, the wind picking up. And I still ain't build my wind blocker for the stove. Oh yeah. And that's alright. All in the challenge and outdoor lifestyle, outdoor cooking, you know, you gotta deal with it. So I gotta put the camera down to get a taste test. Yeah. Hold on. Wait. Hold on a minute. Don't go nowhere, don't do nothing. Alright. You know what? I got a special guest here today. My friend from all the way is here to visit me and my bro and my family. So I can let her taste it, and she's gonna say, hey, this was really good. So he ain't telling no jokes, no lies. All right, folks. take a pause quick.
Oh my gosh, what a treat. Look at this food right here.
Yeah.
Made by Tino, Outdoor Bahamas.
So this is my guest from Vermont.
This is the real deal right here.
Yo, I want you to taste it and tell them how it is, so they know
Okay.
it ain't a joke.
Here, you hold that.
All right.
You got it? Let's see.
Oh yeah. She
Look
know,
at
so y'all know. It ain't a joke.
Tino.
It ain't a
This
joke.
is ridiculous.
So you know what the thing is? I cook meat that I don't even eat. We don't have any taste, you know. So I season before I
This
put
is
the meat in.
amazing. I would
Thank
pay
you.
a lot of money for this. Really